Athlete's foot under a microscope is both fascinating and kind of terrifying. What looks like dry, scaly skin to the naked eye suddenly reveals an intricate web of fungal filaments called hyphae. They're like little invasive root systems spreading beneath your skin. Imagine this. These hyphae are actually busy breaking down your skin to feed on it. Under a high-powered lens, you'll see these long, hair-like structures weaving through your tissue. It's like looking at an alien landscape, but the alien is living on you. Pain point? You wanted to fix dry, itchy toes with over-the-counter cream, not realize a fungal rainforest was partying between them. It becomes very real when you see the invasion on a cellular level. Yikes. The spores are another story. Spores look like tiny round seeds scattered everywhere under a microscope. You can almost sense their persistence. Each spore is like a portable infection unit, ready to latch on to another unsuspecting victim if given the chance. Here's a pro tip. Those spores love warm, moist places. Think locker rooms or sweaty sneakers. Seeing them under a microscope makes it clear why communal showers are athletes' foot factories. Avoiding wet socks might save you from this microscopic nightmare. Step by step, if you have athlete's foot, don't just rely on creams. Wash with antifungal soap, dry your feet completely, and sprinkle antifungal powder in your shoes. Visualizing those fungal filaments might make you take dry thoroughly more seriously. The weirdest part? Under a microscope, your healthy skin cells look like a sturdy wall, and the fungus is actively tearing it down. You see these gaps where the fungus has successfully invaded, almost like a siege tactic. And here's the thing. Fungi are master infiltrators. They don't invade through brute force, but by releasing enzymes that dissolve your skin's defenses. Seeing their handiwork up close makes you appreciate how devious nature can be. The scales and flakes of skin you see peeling off aren't just dead cells. They're partially digested by the fungus. Yep, that itch on your foot, it's the aftermath of fungal feasting. Bet you didn't want that visual. Pro tip, bleach and rubbing alcohol kill fungal spores on surfaces, but they're not skin safe. Good hygiene beats overkill. Wash your feet daily, especially after sweating. Fewer spores mean less risk of reinfection. Looking under the microscope, you also notice some bacteria hanging out. Athlete's foot can cause micro tears, and that's like sending a party invite to bacteria. This mix of fungi and bacteria can make the problem worse. Treat the full picture. Think of the fungus as a neighborhood that sets up shop where it's not wanted. The hyphae are building infrastructure. The spores are spreading ads for new residents. You've got to evict them all. And it starts with a good antifungal routine. The power of seeing athlete's foot under a microscope transforms it from a minor annoyance into something you want to take charge of. It's gross, sure, but also kind of amazing. Your feet deserve better than hosting this microscopic battlefield.